Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install the Invincible Guarding the Globe game on your Android or iOS. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and launch open Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in Invincible and search. Look for this application that says Invincible Guarding the Globe from Ubisoft Entertainment. Now click the Install or the Get button to begin downloading the app on your device. Just make sure that your device is connected to the stable internet, and once you do that, you'll be able to install the app in no time. Also make sure you have enough storage space, and that's it. You'll be able to download and install Invincible Guarding the Globe in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.